Hey people, welcome back to the channel. We pick up this week where we left off last week.
But this time we're going to show you around properly.
So this is where we've been spending the last few days, right? So we've been having fires there, there's a table set up, we've been playing cards, paddleboarding over on the lake. It's been pure magic. But the pièce de résistance was last night, yeah. We spent the evening in this crazy place. Ooh, they look like the things you put your hands in and like rats bite you or like snakes or something. So then we go through this. Luna's coming along with us. This is pitch black at night, imagine. Into the sacrificial chamber. It's crazy. What the hell? That's just like human sized, right?
And the acoustics in here are brilliant, listen.
So, we spent the night last night watching a movie on that screen there, and it was pretty incredible, wasn't it? We watched The Mummy, the newest Mummy with Tom Cruise in it, and it was great. And you can imagine the sound, woo! Was crazy. But look up what's above us. Oh my days, yeah. Come this way now. So then you can get out of the chamber through here into the warmth of the sunshine. Yeah, this is where we've been placed up. It's just absolutely stunning.
And the best thing about this park up, guys, is every other park up we've been to, we've been monitored by the police for our security, and it's like passports this, passports that, and then they'll go away for a few hours and then they'll come back again and someone else will say, oh, we need your passports. And after a few wild spots it got a bit boring, so we found this spot in the middle of nowhere.
Yeah, there's a couple of people that seem to watch the place, and apparently on Park for Night it does actually say that someone comes round and tries to ask for money, but no one has while we've been here, so it's been lovely. I don't know whether that's because there's a big group of us or what, I'm not sure. But yesterday we went over onto the lake, did some kayaking, paddleboarding, surfing, mattress floating, all of them things. But the plan today is basically Luna has got a little bit of a lump on her neck, so we're going to go and get that checked out. Our friends who are travelling with us at the moment, Matts and Myrthe, they took their dog into Ouarzazte, into a vet yesterday for worming, so they've already been to one. They know they speak good English, so we're planning on going there and then heading towards Marrakesh. That's not to say that I don't absolutely love it here. Could see us spending quite some time here, but unfortunately
We need to go and get Luna sorted, don't we, so we can get food there and then just 2 hours to our next park up.
Yeah, we're going to go with just Matts and Myrthe. There's a few that are staying on here, but yeah, we're going to head towards Marrakesh. I don't know what the plan is after that because it keeps changing. So at the moment the plan is to head towards Marrakesh and then we'll possibly head out towards the coast, but up near Essaouira and Msouane, because we missed, well, Nick missed it last year because he was ill, wasn't he? So yeah, we're going to head that way. We've already packed up the van actually, yeah, but as with a group, nothing ever happens quickly. So we're just hanging fire, waiting for a few more people to get ready, and then we're going to shoot off and go and see this vet. I mean, she seems absolutely fine in herself. Luna, how you feeling, sausage? She's all right.
All columns and all the window frames and door frames and round big windows are all fake.
Yeah, it's crazy.
So not long after visiting this place, Nick was sat checking out new movies of 2025.
And to my amazement, I saw this pop up and I was like, wow, Jen, this is that building,
So here it is, a new movie for 2025. Let us know in the comments if you've already seen it.
Most humble thanks. Farewell.
Yeah, beautiful though.
Yeah. Considering the fake, they look dang good.
Yeah, I recommend if you come in a group, this is a place to be.
Yeah, we had the decks out.
It's warm.
It's been madness. That looks like a massive vertebrae.
Yeah.
There's bones everywhere. There's a jaw we found yesterday. Anyway, we better get on the road pretty soonish. Right, so that's us on our way to the vets for this little munchkin here. She hates the vets, so I'm not sure how this is going to go. We shall see. So we need to drive for a while off of this road, this very off-roady dirt track, until we reach the main road. Excuse all around my mouth and lips. We are so dry. My hands are literally, they're just breaking out. It's even going between my thumb, and then I've got a cut there. Oh, it's just so sore, but it's the dryness out here. I'm having to resort to actually putting bepanthen all over my hands just to try and combat the dryness, and because that's pretty much all we've got on board except for moisturiser, which is not good enough. And Nick's fingers are all cracking on the edge.
So the fingers.
Yeah. You'll do something and then start bleeding randomly. I got it on my knuckles the other day, and all along my fingers are cracking along the edge. I don't know if they can see that. But whinge over. It's worth the sacrifice of the dry skin to explore all of these beautiful mountains with the most incredible people ever. So yeah, it's been wonderful and worth it in every way imaginable. Anyway, I'm going to show you what's coming up because this is a pretty cool path. You could quite literally be on the moon here. The landscape is so rugged and like got that orangey reddy tinge to it.
So it could be Mars.
Could be Mars, yeah. Mars or the moon, whichever one you visited that you think looks most like here, let us know in the comments. So, at first we thought that there's lots of... We've got to go that way! We've got to turn around. We've got to turn around. So it looks like they've closed off the exit whilst we've been here. How... There's a load of sand been dumped on the entrance to which way we came. That's mental. What the hell? Uh-oh. I think we might need to get the spade out, or are they going to go for it? Oh, he's going for it. Oh yeah, there is. It goes up and over. So don't stop, whatever you do. So, we've never had that before, have we? Literally, we were locked in. So we've had to go some mad route on a road that's not really a road and find our way to another ramp back up onto the real road. Have you had fun doing it though?
Basically, I don't want to get bogged in.
I know, that's the only thing, you've got to keep moving, haven't you? We're nearly there. Oh! What the fuck?
Fuck's sake.
What? What the hell? 1 minute, let me get out. Oh my days. What the hell is going on?
I think he meant that part, you see it?
Where it goes up on that slant there? Oh.
Did you see it? They put like big piles of sand.
Yeah.
I was like, actually, I have to get the spade out and dig an hole out.
No, that's it. 100%. We need to go back. Draw it on the map.
Where to go?
The satellite
Yes.
map. You zoom in. You take a screenshot.
And do show them the road.
Show it.
Yeah, will do. So we're having to turn back. There's a much steeper route up onto the road that we've just missed, I think. Off we go again. for goats and cows. Right, so we have a very sad and traumatised Luna on our hands, but hopefully on the mend as well. She's had a jab of antibiotics and a jab of anti-inflammatories, and we've just got to go and get some tablets from the chemist. So the 2 shots and the vet visit cost 100 dirham, 8 quid. How crazy is that? So she's just had 2 shots. He said she should be okay. He did say if it's still not gone down in 5 days that they may need to operate, but we're hoping and staying positive that this is all good and that she should be fine. We're heading now to the pharmacy because I need to get her antibiotics and anti-inflammatory tablets that she needs to take for the next 5 days. So overall, it wasn't too traumatising for us, but definitely traumatising for her. She had a temperature taken and whatnot. So yeah, she wasn't a happy bunny. She was literally crawling over our shoulders to get away. But it's done now, and hopefully that'll be it, darling. No more vet visits for you. Yeah?
No vets, no hospitals.
No vets, no hospitals. Okay, so we're sorted. 83 dirhams it was for 2 sets of tablets. I think one's amoxicillin and the other one is a steroid. So she needs to have these tomorrow. But yeah, 83 dirhams.
That's nothing, is it?
That's nothing at all. It's cost what? About 15 quid for everything all in. Nuts. Anyway, should we get to our park up?
Yep, let's go.
So we just stopped to let the dogs out for a wee, but check out the incredible views. And look, the vans look cute together. Are we ready? Do you want us to? Yeah?
Don't want to leave you behind on the hill, that's all.
So it looks like we've reached the part of the mountains where we're seeing residues of snow. The temperature's dropped from 18 to 9.5 right now. But yeah, check it out. There's like bits of snow and ice on the edge of the road. So this road that we're on at the moment was actually closed last week because of the snow, because it was so bad. But majority seems to have melted away, bar a few bits here and there on the side of the mountains. But I'm glad, because I'm glad we didn't come up here in the snow. It's too cold for me. Although it must be cold because this snow is still here. So it must still be very, very cold. Am I boring you, Nick?
No, my ears are popping.
Oh.
Pop my ears.
So after travelling all day, the dog's getting tired, Luna just wanting to rest up, it was time to pull over. But we were on...
The Chicken Seeker Pass.
This is cool.
No, Nick. It's called the Tizian Chika. Something like that, anyway.
But you'll remember Chicken Seeker Pass.
True that. Anywho, we pulled over and it was a night amongst the snow for us.
Look at the lammies at the back. Right, good morning from the Atlas Mountains, the very snowy Atlas Mountains. So this morning we've gotten up, we had a really good night's sleep. We are just off the road here, but yeah, it was quite peaceful. Apart from the dogs were an incy-wincy problem, and we've just been tried to be charged by a guardian as well to park here, but obviously there's no charge. We went for breakfast at this beautiful cafe e restaurant Ouarzazte. So yeah, we had a really lovely breakfast this morning with those guys. Now we're planning to head over to Marrakesh. We're going to go on a campsite, have some nice showers, a bit of luxury for a day or two, and yeah, all decide together where to go from there. But for now, we need to get on the road. Bye bye, doggy. Bye bye. driving in the out sort of skirts of Marrakesh, and you can definitely tell because we're going way slower. There's way more vehicles, and by vehicles, trucks, motorbikes, dockers, tuk-tuks, a bit of everything really. So it's getting busier, so I'll let you have a look, because Marrakesh is a bit of a different thing compared to everywhere else that we've been. Bit crazy. Whoa!
Fucking nuts, man.
Oh my
Fucking
days.
crazy.
Next right. I keep going, it's that way, that way, that way. I know.
See, the thing is, Matt, she thinks she's a driver, and then she says go that way. Oh, sorry, no, it's that way, it's that way. I'm fucking driving, and I listen to her.
Shall we follow Matt?
No.
Okay, I won't say a word now.
That's it for this week, guys. Join us next week where Luna shows signs of improvement and even wants to make friends with the locals. We meet back up with the Crystal Hunters gang and give Luna a much needed wash, not forgetting Nick too. Hope to see you on the road somewhere, because as ever, we are
Only half the world away.
keep dreaming big, being kind, and make every single moment count.